A woman, Vaibhavi, has now come forth and filed an FIR against Romeo Lane staff, alleging that she and her family members were abused and assaulted at Romeo Lane in November. The woman has said that her brother was hit with an iron pole and her sister was pushed by the staff, after which she fell down a flight of stairs. The security allegedly chased the group, and the woman was part of this entire situation. She tried to block their exit. NDTV has now accessed the FIR that's on your screens that names Romeo Lane security staff as the accused in the case, calling the club's construction as suffocating. The woman has demanded that the strict action must be taken against the security staff of the club.
हम जब सब पहुंचे वहाँ पे तो वहाँ का स्टाफ स्टार्टिंग से हमारे साथ बदतमीजी और रूड बिहेवियर और गलत तरीके से बात कर रहा था, बट हमने सोचा कि क्योंकि मतलब हमारी एज सच कोई गलती नहीं थी और हमें लगा कि यार कोई बात नहीं, अवॉइड करते हैं इस चीज़ को। बाउंसर्स का काम होता है टू मेंटेन द पीस, टू मेंटेन द सिक्योरिटी, बट यहाँ पे उल्टा ही पड़ गया था सब कुछ हमारे लिए। और वो जिस श्योरिटी से लड़कियों को धक्का मुक्की कर रहे हैं, इतनी गंदी भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए जो हमने कभी सुनी नहीं थी, ये इतनी बदसलूकी कर रहे हैं, मैं देख के शॉक हो गई। और वो किसी भी लेवल पे उतर सकते थे, वो कितना भी हमें हर्ट कर सकते थे और उनका कुछ नहीं जाता। इस तरीके से वो बिहेव कर रहे थे।
Akhil is with us with all the finer details. Akhil, take us to the key takeaways from this police report and the glaring lapses that have been highlighted in this FIR.
Well, Prameshwar, if you see, we just heard the testimony given by Vaibhavi, and in which what she has basically conveyed the message that the space where she was partying with her family members was not safe. And this space is none other than the Romeo Lane Club, which was basically some portion of that Romeo Lane Club at Vagator Beach was demolished by the tourism government tourism agency. So at this point in time, if you see what we have been seeing, that the Romeo Lane Club is at the center of the storm, in which what we have seen that there were several staff members. Apart from the staff members, if you see, there were several bouncers as well who were basically obstructing these individuals, and there was a brief altercation which took place, and after that they basically bring out a rod and try to hit Vaishnavi's brother as well, so in which he has got badly injured. And when that very lady came in front, tried to stop the bouncer to hit her brother, at that point in time she also got hit by these bouncers. So it raises several alarming questions on that part, that how basically that club was being functional and how that was being operated. And if you see, apart from that, she has further alleged in that video, if you just go by the video, where she has conveyed this message that the lane over there while entering towards that club is very narrow. Apart from that, if you see, there is just one entry point and exit point. There was no proper structure. So she has raises the question regarding the infrastructure part as well. And apart from that, the unruly behavior of the staff members and the bouncers over there. She has also further noted that if you see, bouncers are supposed to basically take care of the guests over there, but on the other hand, on the other side, what we have seen that when the guests were basically present at that point in time, there had a brief altercation, and after that they started beating the guests only. So it raises several alarming questions on the part of the management of the club owners, which are Saurav Luthra and Gaurav Luthra. So right now, if you see, in this very matter, what we have seen that an FIR has formally been launched in connection with the case, and the investigation is currently going on at Arpura police station right now.